I just wanted to quickly show you this laptop that we got for our son to bring to school. He has a MacBook, but it has his game, so he doesn't want to bring it to school. So we got him this. This is Samsung Galaxy. Look at the screen. This is 15.6. Look at how vivid the colors are. This is super slim and super sleek and super lightweight. I think that's the outstanding feature of this laptop. This is super lightweight, perfect for students to bring to school, from middle school to high school to college. Super lightweight, very easy, very comfortable and convenient to carry from classroom to classroom. And it has all the ports here and then here too. And this is powered by Intel Core 7. And this is fast charging, and the battery lasts very long. So really perfect for bringing to school. And this is equipped with Copilot AI. So if you are looking for a school laptop, I highly recommend this one.